Welcome to the Results Map system, the most comprehensive methodology for strategic communications in the world. The Results Map system is entirely focused on setting communications teams up for success. It's based on my 20 years of experience working with thousands of communicators who generally share a pretty consistent set of frustrations. I found that they tend to be time-starved, chronically under-recognized, and often feel dispirited and disempowered. Overwhelmingly, there's a sense that when things go well, it's somebody else's win, and when they go poorly, it must be a failure to communicate. The goal of the Results Map system is to directly take aim at busting through those frustration traps. This system equips and enables communicators to deliver maximum value and results. What makes the Results Map system unique is that it's a capacity-building program specifically designed for communications teams, not just individual practitioners. By introducing a consistent methodology and standardized tools and templates, teams can dramatically improve their collaboration and the quality of their consultative skills. This is a game changer, particularly as distributed teams and a mobile workforce have become our industry norm. Ultimately, it's a methodology to help you and those around you to slow down in order to speed up, moving from always being in a reactive stance to driving communications results in a systematic, planned, and thoughtful fashion. So how do you get started? The Hub is your go-to resource for all your Results Map system knowledge, products, and tools. The first step is the handbook. Based on your role, start by reviewing either the Director's or the Strategic Communicators Handbook. This will introduce you to some of the main concepts of the Results Map and serve as a practical field guide. The Director's Handbook includes a detailed maturity scale that can be used to diagnose the specific pain points in your team and unlock solutions through the Results Map. The next step is to explore the Results Map process for strategic communications planning, which is built around the junctures of prepare, plan, implement, and evaluate. The process will provide you with a scalable step-by-step model to develop a strategic communications plan. This is foundational. If you don't have a solid, relevant roadmap for communications, your team is vulnerable to constantly being a dumping ground for random requests because you have no reasonable license to say no. As you'll see, the Results Map approach is that the process of communications planning is at least as important as the product. It's all about generating alignment and making sure that you're not just solving communication problems, you're solving business problems through communication. The Results Map process also serves as a framework for thinking strategically about communication in your day-to-day work, connecting objectives to audiences, messages, tactics, and performance indicators. This will immediately boost the strategic value of your contributions, whether you're attending a meeting, writing web copy, or organizing an event. Once you've checked out your handbook and the Results Map process, take a look at the suite of knowledge products and tools on the Hub. The resources span everything from employee communication to issue management, stakeholder communication, change communication, and evaluation. There's even a guide for executives to help them understand their role in creating a high-performance communications culture in their organizations. Think of these as a sort of, in case of emergency, break glass menu of products. You can grab what you need when you need it based on your current priorities. Keep in mind that for all the Results Map system products, there's a narrative guide providing advice and tips, as well as a set of downloadable tools and templates that you can use to advance your projects. This way, you're not reinventing the wheel, and you can focus your creative energy and insight on the content of your deliverables rather than worrying about what the structure should look like. Be sure to also review the videos and plan to attend our monthly Results Map webinars. These are a great opportunity to do a deeper dive into the material and learn from practical examples. Our clients tell us that these provide a huge impact for a small investment of time. You'll also want to check out the quarterly Ask Me Anything sessions and the online community, which is an amazing resource for peer learning and bouncing ideas with other Results Map subscribers. Look for opportunities to integrate a tool or technique into your work one at a time. The biggest bang for your buck is probably the top 10 questions in strategic communications that you'll find in the Strategic Communicators Handbook. They instantly sharpen strategic focus and ensure that you're aligned with business goals. So that's it. The system is simple to use and is designed to easily integrate into your day-to-day work. It's a shot in the arm of fresh perspective and new insight into what you're already doing. Now you're probably thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. So let me reassure you, this is absolutely not about doing more work. That's a non-starter. In fact, the whole idea is to save you time. You're gaining proven tools and templates that will help you make an intentional shift, not so much in what you do, but in how you do it. To help the results map really take root among your team, consider making it a standing item on the agenda of your staff meetings. Keep in mind, success breeds success. So one of the best things you can do is invite your team to experiment with the results map and share their experiences. If you want more ideas on how the results map system can help support your team, feel free to reach out anytime. Just click Hey Caroline on the Results Map Hub.